Hello everyone, welcome back to Science Free. In the last tutorial, we did relations. This is an introductory video on functions. A function is a relation in which each element of input corresponds to exactly one element of output. If you observe this example of set A and set B, not all the elements of set A, which is the input, correspond to only one element of the set B. Since y from set A, which is the input, corresponds with 7 and 8 from set B, that makes the above shown not a function. For this example, we can say the above is a function, since all the element from set B corresponds with only one element from set A. What would you say about this example? Is it a function or a relation? The above is a function, since all the elements from B are associated with only a single element from A, which is the input. This is not a function, since one element from A is not associated with any element from B. We can say that this one is not a function. If you observe carefully, you'd notice that C from set A, which is the input, is corresponding to two elements from set B, therefore we can say that this one is a relation. Let's try to identify if this set is a function. All the input values are different, which makes this set definitely a function. This second example is not a function because it has two of the same input values. For this example, we want to write a rule for the function represented by the table. The key is to find a pattern. If you realize, you can multiply all the values for x by 4 and that will give you the value for y. So we can write the formula to calculate y as y equals 4 times x. Write a function showing that the area which is denoted by a of a circle depends on its radius, which is denoted by x. So we simply need to write a function a of x that will be dependent on the area of a circle. The formula to find area of a circle is pi times r squared. Dependent means it is equal to, so that's why we need to write a, which represents the first letter of area, beside x between brackets to show that it's a function. And then let it equals to pi r squared. John's sale, every week, is $550, plus 8% of the total sales in a week is a commission. Write a function statement for his salary per week if his average sale per week is denoted by the function s of x. If every week John will earn $550 plus 8% more on his earnings as commission, that means the formula to find John's total salary should be s of x equals $550 plus 8% more of $550. 8% is 8 over 100. Times that by $550 and that would give $40 as the money he earns as a commission. Some centerpieces are made by a florist for charity. She's using 9 flowers in each centerpiece. Write a rule for the total number of flowers denoted by y used as a function of the number of centerpieces made. For the function, we write y of x first. The letter y is the input and is what we want to find the value for. X is the output. We always write the letter used to represents the output between brackets beside the input. That's how we get y of x. We know that some centerpieces have been used, but we don't know how many. We can use x to represent the unknown. She's using 9 flowers to make each centerpiece. We have to multiply 9 by x to find out the number of centerpieces that could be made by 9 flowers. The function to find the amount would be y of x equals 9 times x. At a kickboxing class, John joins a local gym. $8 is the cost per class, plus $25 for the initial membership fee. Write a rule for the total cost of the class denoted by Y in dollars as a function of the number of classes John attended, denoted by X. We first need to write the input Y times the output X between brackets, and it will become Y of X. Each classes John attends costs $5. We don't know the number of classes John joins, so we use X to represent that and times 5 by X, which is the number of classes. We also need to add the membership fee of $25. The question asks how much it would cost if he attends 8 classes. We just need to replace X with 8. Five times 8, 40. Plus 25 equals $65. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section, or you could just send us an email through our email provided in the description. Hope to see you in our next video.